When we're designing a website, one of the goals is to get your information in front of as many eyes as possible. As many people who want to access your information should be able to access your information. So if you have this giant roadblock of color getting in the way of somebody being able to read the information, that's not serving everyone. Keeping somebody from being able to access the information they need, that could be your next customer that's gone. When we start designing a website, one of the things that we do is sort of establish the color palette. We want to avoid any colors that have a similar value. The subtle color differences are some of the things that like really elevate a design and make it feel classy.
Yeah.
And make it feel high design. But with accessibility, you need that level of contrast so that everybody can see the website and participate with the website and read the information, regardless of whether or not they have some sort of vision impairment.
Yeah.
You have to use a tool. You cannot predict how somebody's going to see it unless you have that same deficiency. So you have to rely on the tools. So we use the color tool to make sure that the colors on the website work for everyone. One of the really useful things about it is this color deficiency simulator. So it'll show us where maybe I can see the difference between this blue and purple. Somebody with a color deficiency might not be able to see the difference between that, and you can see that here in these two blues that are very similar. Or maybe even this blue and the aqua color, you can see where somebody wouldn't be able to tell the difference because the blue just looks like gray.